Right, so that's totally dry now. It looks really good as it is, doesn't it? So now then, next job is just to gently take away the pencil marks and the masking fluid that we've put on. I emphasise gently. Just go one way. Go with the shape of the fur, if you like. But now all that work we did before is becoming apparent, isn't it? Okay. So it's totally cleaned that up now, hasn't it? Alright, and now what we need to do is just check it all out again with our reference material. And just go through it really. Now you can use your number 5 brush, and like I said before, look where we've put the masking fluid. And if there's anywhere that you think, actually let's just get organised. Around the muzzle here, it's not pure white, is it? There's grey in there. So we can just make that right. And also those shiny bits on the nose aren't really white, are they? They're kind of bluey grey. So now we're just doing fine tuning. Where we've put too much white, we can just take some of it away, like there. And where we've got whiskers, we can now paint them in. I'm always tempted to rush this bit because I'm excited to see it finish, but just take your time. Around there we've got, that's just a little bit more. Or less, I should say. And these whiskers were dark, weren't they? It's just by putting a little bit of grey over the white, we just make another layer, because they weren't white whiskers, these, were they? You can leave some white though. Oops. If you put too much on, just take it out again. So we're just making him look furrier. Now the eyes, where we've rubbed out the pencil marks, we've just taken a little bit too much out. So just put that little bit of pupil back in there. And that little bit of darker area there. It was just a little bit big, wasn't it? And that area was kind of dappled, wasn't it, rather than pure white. So let's just try and make that look a bit more natural. So we're just adjusting little things, adding, but I think, you know, we're somewhere near. I'm quite happy with that actually. So what I'm going to do is scan that in, and we'll end up with the course picture, which you've obviously seen. I haven't. Could just be a little bit bluer or darker. Yeah, I'm sure when that dries I'm going to be more than happy with that. So I shall see you just checking out that actually now. I've just taken out a little bit too much around the outside. I'll just bring some more grey into there. You see, you can do this now as much as you like. You've got your picture, haven't you? You know your customer generally, what they're after. Some people love a free and easy picture, some people want more and more detail. But you don't want to overwork, that's the thing. And I'm pretty sure now that this is as nice as I'd like it. So I'll see you in the summary. Okay, so here we've got the finished picture, and as you can see what I did, I've scanned the pencil drawing and I've scanned the finished watercolour, and I've kind of compiled a little picture using the drawing. I inverted the drawing and put it either side of the original watercolour. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? And it gives the client who wants the drawing and painting doing, gives them a nice painting to frame up. Now, what I'm actually very happy with in the finished painting is the eyes. They look excellent, I think. We've really caught the highlights in the eyes and the nose. And you see how the masking has got the whiskers and the highlights. And basically, it just makes it that little bit more professional, doesn't it? Alright, so now listen, if you've got any problems on the course while you're working on the course, just send me a question in the Q&A and I'll get back to you straight away. I'm sure you shouldn't have though. There's 18 lessons. If you've been through each one of them, you've seen there's a lot of work to do, and we go through every phase. I can't think of anything else to go through with you. But like I say, if you've got any questions, send me a Q&A. Don't forget to try out to do the full course using your own photographs. It's exactly the same thing, you know, you're doing exactly the same process. And you've got the course for life, so if you want to do it 2 or 3 times, that's your choice. Alright, so hopefully I'll see you again in another one of my courses and we'll work together again. All the best. See you soon.